How to get more free space on Dropbox app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get more free space on your Dropbox. First thing, go to the app. This is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on those two lines, and now click on the last option. It's settings. Click on settings. Now scroll down until you find the invite friends to get free space. Click on it. Now right here, as you can see, you will receive 500 megabyte of free space for each friend you who installs Dropbox. As you can see, it's a lot of space actually. If you invited, for example, 4 persons, you will get 2 gigabyte of space on your Dropbox. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later.